This is the new Huawei Band 6, and with it actually comes with a new design and also a few new features, but most of them is nothing that we have not seen before. So in today's video, let's go through about them real quick. Now, in many ways, the brand new Huawei Band 6 looks very similar to the Huawei Watch Fit that we have reviewed a few months ago. Check it out in the top right corner there. The overall shape is very similar, and also the button is the same. The band is also more or less the same in terms of feeling, but obviously the screen is smaller because it is now using a 1.47-inch AMOLED screen with 194 by 368 pixels in resolution, and it also has the weird choppy-ish kind of frame rate going on, which is also the same as the Huawei Watch Fit, which is supposedly to save battery life, and all of the animated watch faces also look a lot more stylized. And speaking of watch faces, the app also remains the same too. There are more or less the same amount of watch faces available, and there is still no search function, so it's kind of difficult if you want to search for some particular watch faces in the App Store. Should I call it an App Store or just Watch Face Store? And the Huawei Band 6 also lacks a few features, for example, GPS. But if you don't use it, then obviously that's not gonna matter. What's important here is that SpO2, heart rate monitoring, they are both also having that 24-hour monitoring feature enabled. There's also sleep monitoring and also stress level monitoring as well. And it can also display notifications just like the Huawei Watch Fit. And with all of those features in mind, what about the battery life? Because the Huawei Band 6, one of the main features here is long battery life. And our writer also mentioned that this thing can last for about a week or 10 days with a single charge. And the charger is still using the same kind of magnetic pogo pin kind of charger thing that can only snap on in one way. And of course, just like what Huawei has mentioned here, it has fast charging. It charges from about 0 to 100% in only at about 1 hour's time. And also a few things that I want to mention right here is the removal of this strap is also the same as the Huawei Watch Fit. It's using this kind of seatbelt system, so you have to go through both of them and then conjoin together. Another piece goes in perpendicularly to lock it in place. And if you want to replace the strap, I don't think there's a lot available in terms of third-party ones, so the built-in one is what you will have to live with at least for quite a long time. The overall material is fine, but it's also kind of stretchy, which I'm kind of afraid of it literally overstretching and then breaking apart, but I don't think that's gonna be an issue. And also, as you can see here, this watch is just too small for my wrist. Yeah. I mean, one thing good is that the silicone used here is not extremely rubbery, so it's kind of easy to wear and take up if I want to. As you can see here, it's just too small. And now comes the price. The Huawei Band 6 is priced at 219 ringgit officially, and it also is available in a total of 3 different colors. This one is the brand new Amber Sunrise, if I'm not mistaken. There's also the ever popular black color and also another one that I forgot what color it is. Personally, I do like this color because it's bright, cheerful, and yeah, I think that's it. That's all we have to share with you about the Huawei Band 6. Who should buy this? I think whoever who just wants something stylish on their hands but don't want the usual fitness band kind of aesthetics. This is kind of good. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. We'll see you guys in the next video.